Consider New Meat Peeps. What's up? John D. Villarreal here. Still at Lion Country Safari. Fantastic place. I love this place. Check that out right there. Now, it hasn't told us what it is, but I'm all but positive that is, and it's all my personal opinion, knowledge, any facts, not casting any spurs on for their entertainment, parody purposes. Only check disclaimers. Pretty sure that is a cockatoo over there from Australia. Believe it's a yellow-crested cockatoo. Beautiful bird. Very cool. They're very smart. They do a lot of fun things. Look at it. It's moving around. Oh, wow, he's got some really cool personalities. Now, oh, he's moving around. Now he's going to get on his little perch. Look at him. He wants to get in the mix, I think, over here. He's making his little show here. He wants a little camera time on conservative media, and we may have to just, we can't feed him, but he's right in the mix over here. Hello. Should we, are you, hello? Yes? Oh, he likes it. Conservative new media? Is conservative new media the best? Pretty bird. This cockatoo is really cool. It wants to communicate with us. I really love this bird over here. It seems really cool. It wants to talk to us. Down there is a turtle, and it's moving along the foliage, and it's having a good time right there. It's really cool. Oh, look, it's nabbing some food. Cece, are you eating? Cece, are you eating? Does Cece love conservative new media? Oh, yeah. Does Cece love conservative new media? Hello, Cece. Hello, Cece. Is conservative new media the best? Yeah, I love it. This bird's cool. Cece, say hello. Conservative new media is the best ever. There we go. The bird has spoken. Oh, that turtle's speaking to me, dude. It's in the foliage. The bird likes in the mix. Say hi, Cece. Hi, Cece. That was awesome. This bird is intelligent.